Here I am at the varnish garage, and got my varnish tank, and I've got my oil pan full of varnished gas. I pulled out of there, keep that wafting a nice odor for me while I work. And right now I'm working on getting the spring compensator in. I've got one bolt started, the fuel tank down obviously, and next thing will be to pull the pump out. So to make sure the swing axle doesn't all the way fall down, I've got these jacks underneath each of the tires and the car up on the scissors lift. So right now I need to let everything dangle as much as I can without stretching the brake hoses. So on this side, it looks like I've got some tension on that brake hose already up there. I can see a little bit of slack. So now I'm going to let down this side. It looks like that one can handle a lot more falling. And maybe I will get the... Let's see what happens here. Alright. Watch that. Looks like about all that brake hose wants to give. Oh. So I'll replace the brake hoses if I have to. But so now I gotta get the spring compressed a little bit and get that down in there. And maybe I'm just gonna have to stretch those hoses a little bit more. Okay. I hate doing that. Well, that jack's not doing anything. That's alright, so now just gotta try to squeeze that in. Let's see what happens.